If you are tired of patiently waiting for your grass to transform into a lush green oasis or looking to cut down on that hefty water bill, I'm Melissa, and I'm thrilled to introduce the perfect solution to your lawn problem. Introducing PetraMax Grass Paint Max Prime Green. Grass Paint Max Prime Green is designed to give your lawn that instant deep green hue color, creating a lush and vibrant look without the wait. With our custom pigment technology and state-of-the-art binder chemistry, we've created the perfect envy-worthy color that will make your lawn look like a lush green oasis. Applying Prime Green grass paint is a breeze. Our user-friendly design makes it simple for you to achieve an even, natural-looking coat without any complicated formulas or procedures. Worried about the color fading away? Grass Paint Max Prime Green provides long-lasting color, giving you a consistently vibrant lawn that lasts 3 months. Plus, it's also environmentally friendly. This product is non-toxic, ensuring the safety of your pets and kids. Upgrade your lawn instantly with Grass Paint Max Prime Green. The secret to a lush, deep green paradise is right in your backyard. Transform your lawn with ease and make your neighbors green with envy.